Hi, I'm Thomas Nelson, and welcome to the Sports Analysis booth at IBC 2015. I'll be showing you the latest stuff that we have with our 3D analysis tool, Viz Libero. And we have some great new features here. One which is something that we're very proud of, which is the automatic player tracking. And this allows me to go into any live game, and I can open this up, and I can actually now choose to track any of these players. So this is something that traditionally you would have to keyframe each of the players. So if you're tracking maybe 2, 3, 4 attacking players or defending players, it could be quite a time-consuming process. What we have now is the ability to simply choose a few players. So I'll choose the 3 attacking players here. So just a few. So once I've chosen this, I simply hit play, and the Viz Libero now automatically tracks these. So it means there's no need for any keyframing for the operator. And once I'm happy with my track, I can go back now, and I'm now ready to go on it. And you can see that my 3 attacking players here are now all keyframed. So of course this allows you then to attach other graphics to these players. So once the tracks are there, I could show you, for example, distance between the 2 attacking players here. This easily, of course, snaps to the tracks. I could show you. I could show you also player speed, for example. So I add this to my other attacking player, and all this comes from the use of these automatic player tracks. Another thing that we've added in the latest Viz Libero is the ability to create your own or design your own graphics. So here we're actually using the Viz engine to render the graphics. This allows you to completely customize the look and feel of a graphic and use the full 3D power of the Viz engine. So you can see here, if I just simply show the player markings here, this is using a simple design that I have. I could say, okay, I want to switch this to a more 3D looking design. So I simply choose my different scene, and it keeps all the analysis information in there ready. So all the tracks and all the graphics are already added. It just swaps them out. Now if I can then quickly just jump into our Viz engine just to show you that this has actually been rendered live. And as a Viz designer, you can now go in here and of course completely customize and design this exactly the way you want. So you can bring your own branding completely into your analysis. So the second thing I want to show here is a new plugin that we implemented into to Viz Libero, which is the Opta plugin. So this allows you now to bring in Opta feeds and marry it up with your game feed coming in. It allows you to quickly go to certain game events. So I'll bring up my plugin here for this game, and you can see, okay, I want to look at maybe all the goals in the first half. It gives me a list of the goals. And let me say, okay, I want to open up a particular event. It takes me to, sorry, I have to go to the first half, and I'll open up a particular event. And you see it takes me directly to the time code of the goal. I can now create an analysis sequence from this. So this Opta plugin then allows me also within my analysis to access this data. So for example, I want to maybe add a heat map to my analysis. I launch the Opta plugin. I choose either if this is a team heat map or a specific player heat map. And I can then add this into my timeline. And you can see here I can now visualize this in different ways. So whether I want it just as a 2D continuous heat map, or I can choose different looks and feels for my heat map as well. So these are the main new things that we have on our booth showing here at IBC 2015 for Viz Libero.